All right, this is the Restore Bioactive Complex. What I love to use this for is on my face. I'm not wearing any makeup right now, nothing whatsoever, and I use this gel after I shower in the evening. It just feels wonderful. It's got a very light texture. The scent is also extremely pleasing, very light, very gentle. I find that this is just as good as any moisturizer, and in fact, I'll use it instead of a moisturizer quite often because of how supple my skin feels afterwards. It just feels bright and wonderful. So I simply love this as a stand-in for a moisturizer, especially in the summertime. If I have a little bit of a sunburn or my skin is feeling somewhat irritated, I feel like this just gives the soothing, cool feeling that my skin craves. Also fantastic for in the wintertime if my skin is a little bit dry, I need a little bit extra of a boost, I will bring in the 7E Wellness Restore Conductive Gel.